If you are 12th passed, so don't stop, don't because of that if you passed your 12th, so you are not able to take a job. So let's discuss about it. What is the LSR? Hello everyone. In this video, there you have also watched on the thumbnail. There is a very interesting topic today. Because you also when you speak also you also face the problem, and in this problem we are going to discuss about why do you face the problem when you speak English. So today let's discuss about if we talk about if we speak something in front of the people, we face so much problem in the English language. So today I will give you some tips. So today I will give you 4 tips to speak fluent English. I hope you have all seen the thumbnail, and this thumbnail who gives you there is written that LSRW, and this is so interesting. Every language depend on these things. LSRW, and what is this? Today we will discuss about these things. And listen, if you are 12th passed, so don't stop, don't sit with your freshness. Because of that, if you passed your 12th, so you are not able to take a job. You have to take some skills, you have to take some ideas where can I earn money. So with this skill, with this, if you want to earn money, if you really want to improve yourself, then you have to be a spoken English. Because if you learn about English spoken, so definitely you are able to talk with someone, and it gives you so confidence. I will also give you video this types of who give you some motivate, who give you some why should we learn about English language. You have to also learn from this. So do you want to also effective public speaker? So let's discuss about it. What is the LSRW and what is this, and how can we improve by this level, by these 4 tips. So if you are new students on my channel, so you have to watch full videos, and you have to improve your skills. And listen to me, you have to be regular, because that if you do not any works regulars, then you are not able to do this completely this works. So friends, you have to, and those types of friends, any man, any girls, any friend, any people, you can learn about something in English language, and it gives you so confidence. It gives you also job opportunity, because nowadays those people who do not speak English, they are not able to talk with someone. So let's discuss about how can you use English language. So actually, if you have idea about what is the LSRW, so don't forget how can I study about LSRW. So listen to me, if you want to improve your skill, if you want to improve something, so let's totally you have to watch till end. Because of that, before this study, the teacher will teach you about only about subjects, but friends, this is the language. If you do not improve your this skill, if you do not think about this language, no one will give you respect. So let's discuss. Do you know many students, many peoples who is developing himself, he is getting a best skill, best place for by the help of this language. So if you want to improve, if you want to get that types of also job, so you have to improve your skills, you have to improve your whatever you want to improve in yourself. And also listen to, and also this types of, if you watch this full video, and you have to learn from the 4 tips, these tips who helps to you how can you speak English, fluent English in front of the peoples. Yes, I know that you are unable to speak English, that's why you are watching my video. So don't worry, I will give you today 4 tips, and regular I will give you tips. I will not teach you too much grammars, because you have already studied about so much grammars before 12th, 10th, you in the 10th, in the 12th you have studied too much grammars. So don't worry, I will give you too much tips, and by this help of tips you can improve your English speaking skill and better your confidence. So don't worry, you have to watch regulars my videos, and I will give you today 4 tips. And do you know, in these tips you have to more practice. Because of that, without practice you are unable to speak, you are not unable to talk with someone with confidently. And don't forget to do mistake, because it's not your stoppage, it's your learning process. If you do some mistake, it means you are learning some things. If you do if you judge yourself, it means you are learning something. So let's suppose that if you ride a cycle, if you know to how to ride a cycles, if you are learning about how to ride cycles, then you know you fall down, then after you start to ride cycle, then you again fall down, then you again start up to ride cycle, how to ride cycle. This the process, which means you do not It means you have to also follow these tips. These are the 4 tips, and this is the very good tips who helps you in the speaking English. The first is I'm going to discuss about. Please listen me carefully and be focused. Come on. The first is L. Do you know what is the L? L, it means first is that in the speaking English, listening. Yes friends, listening. With this help of, yes, you have to listen anything. If you listen, suppose if you watch the movies, so watch in English, because if you listen carefully, if you listen some things, then definitely you are able to speak. Suppose that in the childhood, are you able to speak Hindi? No friend, you are not able to speak English in Hindi. But after listening, after speaking, you are able to now speaking Hindi. That's also in the process of English language. If you are watching my video, you have to learn about it. How can you speak? The first is listening. This is the L. The first is listening. It means with the listening, it means you listen the music in the English language, listen the suppose cartoons in the English language, listen about novels, about any history, about any freedom fighter in the English. Then give you so much confidence. And the next is simple is. Let's discuss about is. This is also so simple. How it is simple? Let's discuss about it. It's is. It means a speaking. A speaking. It means whatever you are listening in the English language, you have to speak continuously. And do you know, from today, if you got it, if you take a promise, I will definitely learn English language before Holi festival, so definitely you are able. And if you watch my videos, if you comment, suppose if you have any comment, write in the comment box, sir, I have a problem like this, then you can, I will definitely solve your problem, and I will make your video by your viewers. Understood? So I will not take you any fees, I will only take your likes if you watch my videos. So listen, this is the ace. Ace, it means speaking. Do you know what I'm speaking? You have to, how will you speak? It means you have to listen carefully, then have to speak. Speaking, it means whenever you have to got an opportunity to talk with someone, that time you have to speak. And the next is, discuss about R. This is the very important now. R. Whatever is that. It means whatever you are thinking, whatever you are listening, reading, speaking. And the next is the very important is that reading. It means if you read with someone, suppose that if you read novels, if you read some historical things, about some historical things, if you study about the social media, with the help of social media, because now at times there is so much AI apps who give you so much knowledge, ChatGPT who gives you also so much knowledge. So you have to improve your reading. Reading, it means not only for reading English, you have to also take a knowledge. What are you reading in that books? You have to take a knowledge from this. So this is the also process now. So let's discuss about, and the last is writing. W. Writing. So friends, this is the things. Suppose writing, whatever you thought, whatever you suppose that if you write essay, if you write emails, if you write letter, if you write about any social media, about if you write about all the things about your mother, about your father, this helps to you. You have to complete this. So this is the whatever is the on thumbnail. This is the LSRW. It's listening, speaking, reading, writing. There is the 4 tips. If you be regular, then definitely you are able to speak English. Otherwise, if you have any problem, so don't forget to write in the comment box, because with your comments, when I watch your comments, then after I will make your next video I will give you next tips only. I will only give you tips how can you speak English fluently like me when I'm going to speak. Suppose before starting, I have also so hesitation, sir. I'm not confident to talk in front of the camera in English language. I'm not confident in front of the people in English language, but now I have a confidence every time I speak English with any people who want to talk with me. But I have one more chance to you, those students who want to improve his offline speaking skill. So you can definitely call on this in this number which is in the description box. And next we will discuss about it. If you watch full my video, so I hope you like my videos, and next in this next videos I will give you next point, next topic, and do you know you have to more practice about all the things, all whatever I'm giving you, so that if you listening carefully, so listen in the English language. Suppose that if you listen in Bhojpuri, will you speak English? No, you want to speak English, understood? So don't listen now from Hindi and Bhojpuri. Because of that, if you listen in English language, then after you are able to speak English language. Otherwise, suppose if you speak too much in Hindi, every time you speak in Hindi, in Maghi, do you able to speak English? No, you are not able to speak English. You have to speak in English language. Here, when you do some wrongs, don't worry. Because of that, now you are a learner. If you learn something, so don't fear to do mistakes, because mistakes who makes you perfect. After sometimes you are able to do this. So I hope you will understand my points, you will understand my language. If you are not unable to understand my language, so I will next video I will make on your whatever you do in the comment box. So don't forget to comment in the box, or do you like this video or not. I have to guard from like this video or not. Otherwise, those are students who want to talk with me, who want to conversation with me, so also call me in the the number of in the description box, so you can call me. Otherwise, if you want to join offline classes, so you can also join our classes in Ascent English spoken in the Jehanabad. So actually don't forget to subscribe, share and likes. Otherwise, if you like you and share your friends to get a knowledge about more things. So thank you so much and for watching this video, and for clicking this video, and I hope you will understand about it. We will meet next video. Thank you.